Hello guys, so today's vlog, join me as I put this Panasonic GX85 to the test and see if it's still worth to buy in 2024. So, yan guys. So the Panasonic GX85, also known as Lumix DMC GX80 or Lumix DMC GX7 Mark II, which is this one, announced last April 5 of 2016 with 16 megapixel micro four third CMOS sensor, no anti-aliasing A filter, ISO from 200 to 2000, 25,600 and expands to 100. Micro four thirds again mount, and with the sensor shape image stabilization, you have already 3 point tilting screen, 2764K dots electronic viewfinder. You have already 8 frames per second continuous shooting burst mode. You can shoot 4K or Ultra HD 3840 by 2160 with a built-in wireless. Its weight of 426 grams with the pause focus change mode, which is can change focus point after taking a shot. Yeah. It's also unlimited video recording. You have built-in pop-up flash, external flash shoe, touchscreen, electronic viewfinder, face detection, time-lapse, and also 100 megabytes per second bitrate, similar from some cameras or some mirrorless cameras, like for example Sony 6400. So again guys, this is the Panasonic GX85. Yan. So the million question is still worth to buy in 2024. I believe it's yes. For their specs, guys, for the build quality like a tank, I love this camera. I like this camera, guys, the GX85, especially if you want to use for street photography. This is the best camera. You can tilt. See, I don't need the articulated screen. I need the tilting is more than enough for me when I do street photography. And again, the build quality is perfect with a match of 12-32 pancake lens. Yeah, this is more than enough lens for me when I shoot in street photography. And also, it's also perfect for a B camera. So if you have your main camera, this is a perfect B camera. But if you want to use this for vlogging, I will not suggest this GX85. Instead, take a look for another camera like a Sony 6400 or Sony ZV-E10 Mark II, which is a newer version of Sony, which is perfect for vlogging. But this one, guys, I like the design, the retro look, and of course, yeah, the pop-up flash and the build quality. It's like a tank. I like the construction build quality on this camera. So I test already for 2 days, and yeah, I enjoy using this camera, guys, this Panasonic GX85. So on the next vlog, we will try to use again this camera and take some sample photos for street one day. So yan, again, the question, if you are a photographer for or if you are a street photographer, if you like to take a camera which is everyday for you, and also it's good for B-roll because there's already built-in image stabilization or embody image stabilization on this camera, so you can shoot 4K, and man, it's perfect for me. I love this camera, guys. It's very nice camera, and yeah, see, yeah. So again, to answer the question, yes, it's very worth to buy, especially if you can get a good deal, if you can get a good price on this camera, then why not? This is the best camera for street photography and also for everyday carry camera and for B-roll or B-cam camera. So this is perfect camera. So, and guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. I just want to share you this 2016 model camera. But I love the color, the photos that you produce. So, man. So, yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the mirrorless camera or compact camera that we have here in AB World, you can visit our website. We have from Sony, Canon, Nikon, Fuji, name it, guys. We have here all in AB World. AB World. Great. So again, if you want to check all the prices from all our cameras, compact cameras, mirrorless camera, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.